Imagine walking into a room filled with people from different backgrounds. Each person carries their own culture, shaped by values, beliefs, and traditions. What happens when you interact with them? Your social approach can make or break that connection. In this video, we're diving into culture's role in social psychology, particularly for social workers in Zambia. With 72 ethnic groups and diverse languages, cultural understanding is not optional, it's essential. Culture is woven into social behavior. Let's explore four main areas that shape our cultural understanding. First, consider individualistic and collectivist cultures. Individualism emphasizes personal success, seen in countries like the US. Collectivism values group welfare, seen in many African nations. These orientations affect self-concept and communication styles. Second, we explore acculturation and cultural adaptation. When individuals contact a different culture, they may undergo changes. Berry's model outlines four strategies: integration, assimilation, separation, and marginalization. Integration, or biculturalism, often yields the best outcomes. Third, culture shapes values and social norms. Traditions influence behaviors and can lead to conflicts with modern laws. For example, practices like bride price or child marriage might clash with current legal frameworks. Social workers need awareness of these dynamics. Fourth, let's examine social justice and inclusion. Marginalized groups deserve representation in decision-making. This means understanding how culture impacts power and equity. Now, let's break down how individualistic and collectivist cultures differ. In individualistic cultures, the self is viewed as unique and independent. You might describe yourself with personal traits. In contrast, collectivist cultures define self through relationships, often aligning with group expectations. Communication also varies. Individualists prefer direct, clear statements, while collectivists may use indirect cues to maintain harmony. This can lead to misunderstandings. As social workers, learning these nuances helps build trust with clients from diverse backgrounds. When individuals migrate, their cultural identities can shift. Acculturative stress is common in this process, especially for refugees facing discrimination and rule confusion. Social workers can help by providing support tailored to these unique challenges. Now, let's reflect on contemporary issues related to culture and mental health. Each culture defines and approaches mental health differently. For instance, stigma can prevent individuals from seeking help. Respecting local traditions in mental health care is critical. Collaborating with community healers can foster better support systems. To summarize, understanding culture enriches social work. Recognizing individualistic versus collectivist orientations impacts self-perception and communication styles. Acculturation informs how we navigate cultural interactions. As social workers, it's crucial to enhance cultural humility. This means acknowledging our cultural assumptions and striving for lifelong learning. Let's take action. Reflect on your cultural background and how it influences your practice. Engage with diverse communities, respect their culture, and advocate for equitable practices. Join us in navigating the complex tapestry of culture in social work. Together, we can make a difference.